It looks like some almost official looking pictures of the Redmi Go has surfaced online along with a full spec sheet. This is for the first time that Redmi Go has been leaked in pictures. By the looks of it, the Redmi Go looks almost like the Redmi 5A. This means the Redmi Go will look like any other basic phone with thick bezels, single camera on both back and front, no bezels. The pictures further reveal that the Redmi Go phone will have a plastic build, of course because it's going to be a cheap phone. Rumors suggest the Redmi Go will be priced somewhere around Rs 5,000. But we believe if Xiaomi wants its Android Go phone to gain success in the country, it should price a phone under Rs 4,000. In India, Redmi Go should be priced somewhere between Rs 3,000 and 3,500. We say this considering past Android Go from other smartphone manufacturers failed to gain popularity, and one of the major reasons for that is because of their high price. Basically, if Xiaomi can get the India price of the Redmi Go, right, this phone can steal the entry-level smartphone segment of the country. This is also for the first time that the full spec sheet of the Redmi Go phone has leaked online. The spec sheet revealed that the Redmi Go will come with a 5-inch LCD display, which will be paired with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and screen resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The Xiaomi Android Go phone will be powered by Snapdragon 425 processor, which Qualcomm has designed mostly for the entry-level phones, paired with Adreno 308 GPU up to 1.4 GHz maximum speed and 4x ARM Cortex A53 cores. The Redmi Go will be backed by 3000 mAh battery. The phone is said to come bundled with 5V1A charger out of the box. Like most Android Go phones in India, including Samsung Galaxy J2 Core and Nokia One, the Xiaomi Redmi Go will also come in one variant with 1GB of RAM and 8GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 128GB via micro SD card. The Redmi Go phone will run Android 8.1 Oreo based on Google streamlined software Android Go. This means that the Redmi Go will come with all the Go apps like Maps Go, YouTube Go, among others. The Redmi Go will also have camera on both front and back. On the rear panel, the Redmi Go is said to include an 8MP camera coupled with f/2.0 aperture, LED flash and more. On the front, the Redmi Go is said to bear a 5MP selfie camera paired with f/2.0 aperture.